Total gain 27%, while maintaining a low drawdown of just 6%. Welcome to the channel. Today, we are introducing a brand new powerful trading robot called ToborFX. The EA was $499, but you can grab it today for only $25. This trading robot is specifically made for the EURUSD, GBPUSD, Gold, and US30 pairs on the M15 and H1 timeframes. A minimum balance of $100 is needed to use this EA. Now it's time to see the EA's live performance. This EA achieved a total gain of 27%. While maintaining a low drawdown of just 6%. This EA maintains a 76% win rate, with just 24% of trades ending in a loss. Now, let's open MetaTrader to set up and start the EA. In Inputs, you can adjust these settings to match your trading style. The EA is set and ready to trade. Check out our website for full information, FX Crack. We appreciate you watching our video.